Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. It is your brother, BeDistinct. Welcome back to the channel once again. And today we're going to be talking about the most frequently DM'd question. I mean, man, it was pretty overwhelming. And although I wanted to tell you guys, I really wanted to make this video. So without further ado, today we're going to be talking about my new chrome taillights that I just got out of nowhere. I didn't even tell you guys. It was a secret, man. But what I love most about them is that they are ridiculously bright. They are so bright. I'm gonna put on the emergency so you guys can check it out. Right now it's daylight. You can't really see it through the camera. I can see it in person. I just can't really see it through the camera. But what I love about these is that they have an amber halo in the middle, right? This is for your turning signal. This is for your emergency and stuff like that. Then it has an outer bigger halo. That one's red LED. That one's for your braking, when you brake and all that sort of stuff. So it looks absolutely beautiful, and it has this is also the updated 2006 tail light style with the little side marker instead of the circle there. I love these. These are absolutely fantastic. So like each individual halo has its own cable. It's crazy. It was a lot of wiring. I did a little DIY of me installing it when I was installing it at the time in SoCal, so you guys can go ahead and check it out. All right guys, so you guys know this is my G35, and you guys know a couple months back I went ahead and did a DIY on these OEM tail lights and installed some red LED halos in there, so it has like kind of like a GTR look. And so we're gonna go ahead and replace them with our brand new set. These set are clear lensed. Check them out. They're clear lensed, and these halos inside are a lot brighter. These are from Diode Dynamics, the halos. They're pretty expensive, but they're definitely worth it because they're ridiculously bright. And so these are also the upgraded 2006 G35 edition tail lights. So we installed the first tail light. Look how freaking sick that looks. It looks demonic. That shit crazy. Now look at this side. Oh, this is looking kind of nice too, but the wiring in this is a lot different. Look, we got this plug right here. We got different sensors right here. I mean, it requires a lot more stuff, so this thing's a lot crazier. But all right guys, we finished installing the tail lights. Check them out. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. I think they look good. They look a lot better in person. I want to see if I can switch this filter so you guys can see them better. Alright, they go a lot better with the wheels too, because the wheels are silver. I was going to put the clear third brake F1 style light, but the LED actually ended up being white, not red, so couldn't put those on, and so we're just mobbing like this. This is where the whole tail light comes out, and look how many wires there are. And he labeled them for me, so shout out to him. I will give him a shout out right now in a second. Like, these all come color coordinated. These are all cables for each individual halo. There are 4 halos in each tail light. You can see down there all the boxes. They're like modules for each individual halo. But if you guys want to know who they came from, who made these for these, I gotta give a huge shout out. Oh, I'm bright. I was almost whiter than Michael Jackson. Huge shout out to my boy Brandon. I came across one of his posts on the Explore reel, or someone sent it to me. I forgot what it was. He made his own custom tail lights, and when I saw them, I was like, wait, hold up. This is a game changer. This looks sick as hell, right? So I reached out to him. He was like, yeah, dude, I can make you a pair. And I was like, fire, dude. I was gonna hold off on it. I was gonna be like, okay, well, let me think about it, and I'll let you know, right? That was me. That's what I always do. I'm sorry. But then that's when Fitment Industries sent me an invitation to be a booth car at Fuel Fest. If you haven't checked that video out, go check it out. The link is down in the description below, or check my recent videos. I went down to SoCal with the G35, had an awesome time, a lot of support down there in SoCal. But once I got that invitation, I was like, okay, I gotta pull the trigger on these taillights right now. I want to show them at Fuel Fest, because I don't know when I'm gonna be in SoCal. It's gonna be a booth car, a show car. Might as well like go out on it, right? I DM'd them. I was like, bro, can you make this happen before Fuel Fest? It was literally a week and a half before going to SoCal. He's like, yeah, bro, I got you. He literally finished them on time. And so once I went to SoCal, I met up with him in San Diego, or close to it, because the car broke down. The car in which I was traveling to San Diego broke down, so I didn't quite actually get to San Diego, but he was able to meet me, delivered the tail light. It was awesome. He taught me how to wire them, like everything. He talked about the tail lights and whatnot. And so it was a cool conversation with him. Awesome dude. And in this vlog, I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys to the gas station so you guys can see the tail lights in action at night, how they look, because at night it looks even better. You guys are probably asking, what are you gonna do with your old tail lights? What's up? What's good? I'm gonna be giving them away, man. I'm gonna be giving them away, y'all. Guys, what up? So I decided to plan the giveaway. I haven't done a giveaway in a long ass time. We are now at, I think, 32,000 subs. So thank you guys all for all the crazy support. I think it's overdue. And so I was planning on selling these tail lights. As you guys know, in this video I installed my clear chrome tail light. I have no use for this and I was gonna sell this, but I was like, might as well give them away to you guys as a thank you prize. So this is the way it's gonna work. I'm gonna do like a freaking giveaway championship tournament. Very easy to enter, okay? I'm gonna give every single one of you guys a chance to win these tail lights. My YouTube platform, my Instagram platform, and my TikTok platform. So YouTube gets an entry, Instagram gets an entry, and TikTok gets an entry. So you have 3 chances or 3 entries to submit to win the GTR Halos for your own very own G35. Or if you don't have a G35, you can just win them and sell them. Like, you could get like maybe 200, 300 bucks for these. So it's some money in this. And so basically I'm gonna pick a winner from each platform, of YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And from those 3, I'm gonna put them in one pool, and then I'm gonna choose a random selection from those 3, and that will determine the winner of these tail lights. Hopefully that makes sense. And good luck to you all. So like I said, the way to enter, just comment, be subscribed to the channel, and you get a chance to win my very own Halo G35 tail lights. So that's all you gotta do. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Don't forget to enter in for the giveaway. But before I end this video, I wanted to go ahead and show you guys the tail lights at night so you guys can see how sick they are. What they look at night. This is what the flash on here on the iPhone. You guys can see the reflectors. You go ahead and turn off the flash. This is what they look like. Just so you guys have an idea of how bright these are, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on. Just a running brake light, not even me pressing the brake. Look how bright they are. And this is what they look like. What do you guys think? Like, this thing's ridiculously bright. Once again, I'm gonna go ahead and dim it down so you guys can see. Can I do it? There you go. You guys can see the halos. That is beautiful. Right, so those are the tail lights. They look freaking sick at night, and they're so damn bright. With that being said though, hopefully you guys enjoy the new tail lights. They look freaking sick. I love them, and huge shout out to Brandon once again for making those tail lights super last minute for me. I really do appreciate it. Well, this is the end of the video. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys think, and also comment down to enter the giveaway for the tail lights, okay? I'll catch you guys next episode. We have more episodes coming on the Supra. We've been piling them. We gotta go edit them. So I'm gonna go edit this video, and we gotta go edit some more Supra content for you guys. That being said, I'll catch you guys next episode. Stay safe, amigos. Peace out, fuckers.